Hey friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Before we get into it, y'all, because y'all know it's to get ready with me, and this is going to be a motivational video, y'all, okay? Because you know we got to kick off the week with some motivation. You know what I'm saying? So, but before we get into it, it's Saturday, December 17th. It's currently 2:25 p.m. Y'all like my new lock screen, y'all? That joint is so fire. Like, I changed it yesterday and it's so fire. It says risk and then rich. Like, I would want this like framed and hanged up in my office or something because I think it's so fire. Comment below if y'all like it. Anyways, we're gonna get into it. As y'all can see, your girl is pretty much like through and getting ready. I'm gonna roll the clip for y'all towards the end when I'm showing y'all my outfit. But that aside, like, I want to motivate y'all to keep going. Like I've been mentally like going through certain things, and I asked myself, like, what's like the best solution, right, to deal with everything that I'm dealing with. And I told myself, like, I have two options, but technically one, right? And I said, you can either fold and be like, you know what, I'm not doing this no more, I don't want to be bothered, or you could keep going. Now, the way I was built, baby, I don't fold. Like, I don't care what's going on, I don't care what kind of pressure I'm under, like, I don't fold. Like, so I feel like that's not an option. Like, me quitting is not an option. Me saying I don't want to be bothered is not necessarily an option. And when I say this, I'm talking about as far as like chasing your dreams, chasing your goals. And I just made a decision that I'm gonna just keep going. And that's what I want to tell you guys that's watching this video. Like, whatever goal you're after, wherever direction you're headed in, just keep going. Like, things are gonna happen, things are gonna try to distract you, things are gonna try to take you off track, but you have to keep going. Like, you know, when you headed somewhere, like, for example, if you headed to work, right? You know you gotta get that shmoney. You gotta get that shmoney, because if you don't get that shmoney, that bill ain't gonna get paid, right? Or you can't take the vacations that you want to take, or you can't live the life that you want to live, right? So even if there's traffic, you still go to work. Even if you get a flat tire, most of the time you still go to work, right? Unless you got PTO or whatever, but that's besides the point. Like, even if there's an accident on the highway, you still go to work. You don't let nothing stop you. You don't let nothing deter you. So that's what I wanted to share with y'all in this video. Like, if you're facing obstacles or challenges in any direction that you're trying to head into, just keep going. Like, if you've been betrayed, keep going. If somebody lied to you or lied on you or tried to make you look bad, just keep going. If somebody walked out on you, gave up on you, just keep going. Like, no matter what it is that you're dealing with, no matter what it is that you're going through, just keep going. Like, because if you stop, you're not gonna get to where you want to be. And remember, everybody don't want to see you win. Everybody don't want to see you be where you're going. You get what I'm trying to say? So either you give them the satisfaction of not seeing you get there, or you give yourself the satisfaction of getting where you want to be. And that's what I wanted to share with y'all in this video. Like, keep going no matter what. Problems are a part of life, challenges are a part of life, obstacles are a part of life, but you gotta stay tunnel vision. You gotta stay locked in, you gotta stay focused. You gotta be like, you know what, this is like a problem right now, but I'm gonna just handle this. Like, okay, to my parents that watch this video, right? I know y'all kids be calling y'all sometime, getting on y'all nerve. Mommy, I'm hungry, or mommy, this, and this happened, right? And some stuff you can't handle until you get home. So it's the same thing when it comes to your dreams, when it comes to your goals, whatever it is that you're trying to do, whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. Just handle the distractions after. Like, they are going to be there regardless, but you just have to stay tunnel vision. You have to stay focused. And when I'm talking to y'all in this video, I'll be talking to myself sometimes, because I need motivation too sometimes. So it's like when I'm motivating y'all, I get motivated myself. But that aside, it's like don't let nothing get in your way of what you want to do, what you want to become, what you want to achieve. Like just keep going no matter what. And things are gonna get hard sometimes. Like sometimes things are gonna be more than what you bargained for. But if you want it bad enough, you're going to keep going. You're going to keep going after it. You're gonna keep pursuing it. You're gonna keep chasing it no matter what. So that's just what I wanted to share with y'all. It's not a lot, but keep going. Like think about the times that you stopped, or think about the times that you gave up, and how much further along you would have been with something if you didn't give up. How much further ahead would you be in a certain area if you didn't give up? So that's all I'm trying to tell you, baby. Keep going. If you're in pain, keep going. If you want to quit, keep going. Like don't quit, don't fold. It's all going to pay off. Like from my experience, like if things are bad, it's only a matter of time before they get better. You get what I'm trying to say? Like if you at the bottom, you can only go up from there. Like you can't go no further down. You get what I'm trying to say? But you have to be patient. You have to make a decision that even if I'm at the bottom right now, I'm not going to stay there. This is not the end for me. Like this is the beginning of me headed to the top of something new. You know what I'm trying to say? Y'all with me? We locked in? Okay, so keep going, y'all. No matter what, things are hard, things are challenging, but make a decision that you're gonna keep going no matter what. That's the mental space that I'm in. Like sometimes I mean, you know, because it's just like, dang, this is hard, you know, but I've made a decision that I'm not gonna quit, I'm not gonna fold, I'm not gonna cave in under pressure. So I hope that you do the same thing too, and just comment below if you choose, like what is an area that you feel you're gonna keep going in. Like you was considering, like, you know what, I ain't even trying to do this no more, I ain't even trying to be bothered with this no more, but I'm gonna keep going. Comment below. For me, I would say, I don't want to say what mine is, so if y'all don't want to say what y'all's is, it's cool, but just remember to keep going no matter what. And everything that you want, it's not gonna come easy. Like it's gonna take time, it's gonna take effort, it's gonna take sacrifices, y'all. Like sacrifices with the capital S, with all caps, okay? It's gonna take sacrifices, but I personally feel like anything that you have to make sacrifices for, to have, to get, it's worth it in the end. You get what I'm trying to say? So just keep working hard, y'all. Keep chasing y'all dreams, keep chasing y'all goals. That's what I'm doing. I can't wait to share like more and more stuff with y'all, but I have to like grow into that, and then there are certain things like I'm still waiting to fully be past it before I can talk to y'all and motivate y'all like a little bit more. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all, baby. Keep going. I want to see you win. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you make it. I want to see you be like the greatest version of yourself. I want to see you accomplish things that no one thought you could accomplish. I want to see you break like generational curses. I want to see you like recreate your family history. Like I want to see you like do things that nobody in your family has ever done. Like that's the type of time I'm on, okay? Y'all see this? That's the type of time I'm on, okay? I'm trying to do things that has never, ever been done before, and I know by God's grace, by God's help, I'm gonna do it. In addition to hard work and dedication, it's gonna get done. So yeah, I wanna see y'all win. So I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. I'm about to roll the clip of me getting ready, and then I'm gonna show you my outfit at the end. Bye. Keep going.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
I hope y'all enjoyed the clip of me getting ready. So today I decided to go with like a bluish color, bluish vibes. Gold, of course, is my choice of accessory or whatnot, something light. I did my brows, I did my lashes, as y'all saw. And let's talk about the lashes real quick, y'all. I'm still getting used to putting these things on, y'all. I swear, like sometimes it takes me forever, like seriously, but don't worry, I got something for y'all. And I did my edges. I think my hair is just gonna stay like this because it's cute. Originally I was gonna do like the half up half down type of vibe, but I don't know, I think I'll just leave it down for now. And then let me show y'all my outfit. So ooh, she fire. Look at her. Don't play with her, child. Anyways, so weather in New England today is 42 degrees, y'all. 42 degrees, okay? So of course I could pop out with a sundress, okay? So I got a little sundress on or whatever, super duper cute. Y'all, I've been working out. Can y'all tell? Yes, I've been working out, but this is my little outfit. Oh, don't fall. This is my outfit, y'all, with this little jeans jacket or whatever, something cute. And then I got white slides and some white socks to match the white in my outfit. But I feel really, really cute, really beautiful. Yeah, and I'm gonna shoot some more content today too, so that's why I kind of had to like put on something that's gonna make me feel like that girl. Okay, so that's my outfit, and I gotta take some pictures for the thumbnail. And just remember to keep going, y'all, no matter what. Don't fold, don't give up. Quitters never win, winners never quit. And I love y'all. Oh, and don't forget to don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.